Am I the problem? Am I? Is it me who's make things difficult for people? Is it me who made it hard for people to hold me? Is it me that they can never love me? Is it me a villain? Is it me who is so heartless? Is it me who leave people? Am I the problem? Is it me that make it easier for people to leave? Is it me that people cannot love me easily? Or is it just that people always choose the easiest way? Or is it just that people always doesn't wanted to call out on their bad behavior? Or is it just that I don't wanted to be a victim? Or is it just that I leave before they leave me? Or is it me or actually the people they show their actual capacities to hurt when you don't expect them, when they know you are not gonna react to it? Is it me or actually the people who try to blame it on, oh, it's human nature to hide their heartlessness, to make it easy for them to sleep at night? It is actually me or the people. Am I the problem or the people who have these problems? Am I the problem? Or is it just the fact that when you don't expect from people or don't show them you expect from them, they actually show you their real side because they know you're not gonna react to it? Is it me a problem or the people? Is it me who doesn't wanted to be a victim so I became the villain? Is it me because I can recognize the pattern? Is it me? Are you even stupid? Because it's not you, it's the people. They are the shit of the people. They always do shit and always blame it on, oh, it's a human nature. Babe, it's not a human nature. If that was a human nature, you would be animal. You have the consciousness. That's why. You have the morals. But because you cannot hold them, like, oh, it's a human nature. No, it's not, Jason. It's not the human nature. It's you who is shit. Is it never you or is it never me? It's always the people. How stupid is that to think it is me a problem? Duh. Huh. I make people to not need me because if you love someone, you don't need them. Even if you need someone. But the first priority is always the love. That's why you be with someone. But if somebody needs you and you be with them, it's matter of a time when they stop needing you and they're gonna leave you. So why become a need of people just because? Am I the problem thinking that way? No. If somebody needs me, they come to my face and exactly fucking tell me that they need me. And then that's my choice to help them. But if somebody wrap that need into love, fuck off. Okay. Am I the problem? I don't think so.